This is just so freeing, so peaceful to be up on top of a mountain with a gorgeous view, knowing that there's a, once in 20, 30 year snowstorm coming. I'm gonna be the only one up here on top of this mountain. It's gonna be so freaking peaceful, quiet, serene. I'm just really thrilled to watch and see what happens over the next couple days. Up here where I'm at, they're calling for between, I believe it's 13 and 18 inches. Weather channels, they're not always right, so we shall see what we actually get. Not too worried about being stranded up here for a few days if it comes to that. I've got enough food, water, power, fuel, warm clothes, got everything I need. So whatever happens, I'm pretty much prepared for it. Man, this soup is freaking phenomenal.